welcome to Texas A&M Alpha Chi Omega. Let me show you guys around. This is our grand foyer, and this is our main living room. We like to hang out here, have breakfast sometimes in the mornings, and play Just Dance on the TV. This is our dining room where we have meals Monday through Friday, and our favorite meal at the house is fajita chicken pasta. This is our upstairs living room where we love to hang out and have debriefs. We love to debrief with our house Elf on the Shelf too. This is an example of one of our double rooms. We love to hang out in the rooms and get ready. This is Maddie's room. Hi. This is Callie on the vanity. This is one of the Fetii flags, and we have 32 girls that live in the house, and our president has her own room. This is our bathroom where we get ready before day parties. All of our mirrors have their own settings, so we love to play with that. This is our outside area. We love to study out here and hang out. One of my favorite parts about our house is the swing, and then we also love to set up Emma's hammock. This is our courtyard. We love to hang out here, especially when the weather's so nice in College Station, and we love to paint our banners out here. Thanks, Fetii, for stopping by. Go AKO.